given 7/7/2021 in the morning session. So in this question, this is your circuit. In this question, the power supplied to the circuit in the figure by the voltage and current sources respectively. So here they have asked you to find the power supplied by the current source and voltage source. So this is your voltage source and this is your current source. So they are asking the power supplied. Already we know that the power is equal to voltage into current. Voltage into current. So if I want to find the power supplied by the 2 amps, I need to know the voltage. And if I want to find the power supplied by the 2 volts, I need to know the current supplied. So let us find the power sign, that is the voltage and current with respect to there. If you observe here, this is a 2 volts. Just observe this 2 volts branch and this is your 4 ohms branch. These two branches are in parallel. So if two branches are in parallel, then what is the concept? If the branches are in parallel, the voltage remains same and the current is get divided. If the branches are in series, the current remains same, the voltage is get divided among the elements. So here parallel concept we have to use. So this branch and this is your branch. This 2 volts branch is parallel to your 4 ohms. It means that the voltage across these 4 ohms becomes 2 volts. So here directly I can write the voltage across 4 ohms becomes 2 volts. Then only the two branches are having equal voltages. This is of ground, this is your reference. So this is your reference point. So you are having 0 volts. So if I want to get the 2 volts drop, I need to have here 2 volts. That is your 2 volts potential, 0 volts potential. Then 2 minus 0, that becomes your 2 volts. So at this point, what is the voltage? At this point, the potential becomes 2 volts. The potential is 2 volts. Here it is 0. If I consider this is a point A, this is a point A and this is a point B. This is a point B. The current is always moves from higher potential to lower potential. VA minus VB. VA minus VB is nothing but your voltage drop across your 4 ohms, that is equal to 2. So if VB is 0, then VA becomes 2 volts. So by seeing the circuit itself, we can directly write. So this is the first question, that's why I am explaining in detail. So here these are all two parallel branches. In the parallel branches, it contains the equal resistance, equal voltage, 2 volts and 2 volts. So at this point, the potential becomes your 2. Now let us see. So in this branch, we are having 2 ampere current. This 2 ampere current is moving like this. This is your direction of movement. It is flowing like this. So this is the flow, 2 amperes, some 2 amperes, 2 amperes. If 2 ampere current flows through these 3 ohms, then what will be the voltage drop? Voltage is equal to voltage across your 3 ohms is equal to current flowing through it, that is 2, and the resistance is 3, which is equal to 6 volts. Then how we need to specify the polarities for your voltage drop? Always current enters into the positive terminal. So this is your positive and this is your negative. So here how much value I need to write? 6 volts. The value is 6 volts. Now tell me, the current is flowing from, if I consider this is a point of C. If I consider this is a point of C, current is moving from C to A. That is, if I consider VC minus VA is equal to 6. Is it correct? Yes. The difference of potential is equal to voltage. So if I consider the potential at this point is V, that is VC minus VA. VC minus VA equal to 6 volts. I want to find VC. VC, do I have VA? Yes, that is your 2. So 2 is equal to 6. Then VC equal to 6 plus 2, which is of VC is equal to 8 volts. So it means that at this point, what is the potential? 8 volts. So at this point we are having 8 volts. Now 2 ampere is current is flowing through this 3 ohms branch and it is reached to this node. It is reached to this node. Then here you are having 2 volts drop and 4 ohms resistance. Then what will be the current in this branch? What will be the current in this branch? The current through 4 ohms becomes voltage by resistance. What is the voltage? 2 volts. The resistance is 4. So 2 by 4 is 1 by 2, which is equal to 0.5 amps. It is nothing but this current is 0.5 amps. This current is 0.5 amps. So if into this branch 0.5 current flows, if into this branch 0.5 current is diverted, then the remaining current is diverted into this branch. That how much amount of current? 1.5 amps. Total entering current is 2 amps. Total entering current is, this is your 2 amps. Total entering current is 2 amps to this node, and at this node the bifurcation of current takes place. 0.5 current is diverted into this branch and the remaining 1.5 current is diverted towards your voltage source. So if current moves from the battery, if current moves from positive polarity of voltage source, it is nothing but it is getting discharging. If current enters, that is nothing but it is charging. It is nothing but it is acting like a passive element. It is acting like it is taking the energy. It is not dissipating energy, or it is not supplying energy. So if I want to make 1.5 ampere current is entering into positive terminal. Now let us find power. Here we got some voltage and power. The power supplied by the 2 amps is equal to power is equal to voltage into current. Do we have the voltage? In this branch, the voltage is 8 and this is at 0 potential. So 8 minus 0, that is 8, and the current is 2. So 8 into 2, 16 watts. 16 watts. So the power supplied, here you got positive. So it is power supplied by the circuit, that is by the current source is 16 watts. Next, power supplied by 2 volts. So what is the passive sign convention? For voltage source, the current should leave from the positive polarity, but actually 1.5 ampere current is entering. Then how much amount of current will leave? That is minus 1.5 amperes. Can I consider like this? Yes. If 1.5 current enters into the positive terminal, then minus 1.5 ampere will moves away from the positive terminal, that is of opposite direction. So the power supplied by the 2 volts voltage source is V into I. What is V? V is equal to 2 and the current supplied is minus 1.5. So which is equal to minus 3 watts. Let us go with the options. Option number A is minus 3 watts 16 watts. Option number B is 3 watts, 16 watts. Option number C is 1 watt, 28 watts. Option number D is 16 watts minus 3 watts. Now tell me what will be the answer? The current supplied by it is 16 watts. Here you are having 16, 16, 16. So the answer may be A and B. So this is not your answer. This is not your answer. Then power supplied by the voltage source. Voltage source is minus 3 watts or plus 3 watts? Minus 3 watts. So option number A is your correct answer. Thank you.